up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Made the song that I like that.
Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm back with another Dollar Tree DIY Easter project. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a super duper quick and easy Easter centerpiece using a cake holder, and I have some Easter grass, and I have 3 packs of Easter eggs with 24 eggs in each pack. I also, you know how I do, y'all, so I also have some pom-pom trim that I used in a previous project that I may add to my cake holder, may or may not, double-sided tape and scissors. So again, this is super duper quick, easy. Of course, it's affordable, and I did this project before, but I thought it was so cute, and I didn't have enough eggs last time, so that's why I got 3 packs of eggs to see if they fill up this cake holder. So before I get started with this project, what I need you to do first is say, hey T in the comment section. Make sure you click that bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. Also, make sure you're sharing this video. Do not skip the ads because that's what makes me the money. Okay? And y'all want to see me in this shirt for the next few videos because I'm knocking videos out for y'all today. I told y'all in my live yesterday, or 2 days ago, I'll say, that I'm going to be recording. I'm going to spoil y'all this week and give y'all a few DIY projects. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So get used to the fit. Y'all like the bunny ears? Super cute. But enjoy the music, y'all. I'm going to go ahead and get started. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and leave that comment down below. Let's go.
I would like to get to know if you could be what kind of girl that you get down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Alright, sweeties, so it looks like 2 packs filled up my cake holder. So that's a good thing. I'll use my other pack and of course some of these eggs too for my next DIY project, which y'all will really like. It's a trending one, so I know y'all like that one as well. But let's go ahead and flip this over onto the bottom piece and let's see how it looks. It's glass, so I don't want to think that that's the best it'll get. But I think it's super cute.
Mommy.
Huh? S.
Wait.
Thank you, bro.
No.
So this is the best it'll get. If I keep pulling the grass out, it's all just gonna keep coming. So, but I kind of like it spilling off the sides like that a little bit. I like it a little bit, not all like that. You can do without the grass. But this kind of does give it like a messy look, which I'm fine with that. Do what you please, but the messy look is given. So this pom-pom I have here, I think I just want to create like a nice cute bow at the top. Just to give it, you know, a little something. So a bow is not working out with these pom-poms. Of course, the pom-poms are just kind of like interfering. So I think that we'll just kind of wrap them around, maybe.
This is not Dave.
Alright, sweeties, thank you so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. I hope you enjoyed this DIY project. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, click that bell, share the video. Don't skip the ads. I'll see you on the next DIY project. I'm out. Peace.